Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a professional tripod. This is a Libec tripod, okay? But today I'm going to show you how to set one up. So let's crack this open. Straight out of the gates you're going to see this is a lot more advanced than your regular tripod, okay? Don't let that put you off. The very first thing you want to do is see these handle grips. You want to move these so they're out of the way of the tripod, okay? That is the very first thing you're going to do.
Nice and out of the way, okay?
Once these are out of the way, again, righty tighty, lefty loosey, you want to just spread the legs, okay? If you see this in the middle, you want this level to the floor, okay? You don't want this up. So you want to spread the legs just enough so that all of that is on the floor. Tripod is on the floor. Make sure the spreader is also flush to the floor, and that all of the legs, all of these knobs are just in the spreader. Make sure they're in as short as they can go, okay? You don't have to do this, but it just means that when you put it up, it is more likely to be level, okay? Now that we've done that, let's move the legs up, okay? So, let's move these knobs on the bottom. Let's loosen all three of them at the same time, okay? Again, lefty loosey, and you have this handle on the bottom. Okay, you can't see it, but it's directly below where my hand is here. And let's just lift the whole thing up all the way it can go. Okay. This leg's up all the way, so I'm going to tighten it. This leg's up all the way, so I'm going to tighten it. And then this final leg at the front is up all the way, so I'm going to tighten it. Tripod is set up now. We've set up the legs. So let's run you through a couple of things. I've already spoke about these. These are handle grips. You adjust these using this little lever here, lefty loosey, righty tighty, okay? Now, when you attach a camera, you have this little button here, and there's a button on the back, or a knob on the back I should say. This one here. You want to loosen this as much as you can, hold in that button at the back, you want to just slide this off, okay? This is the plate which you'll attach to the camera through this little metal pin here. Get a coin or some keys to tighten it, and then you'll slide it back onto the camera, okay? Once you've got your camera attached, literally line it up and just slide it back in, okay? And then tighten this back up. There's not really much else to show you really, apart from just the manual operations. So, this on the bottom, this big red thing, this twists, okay? Now this is going to adjust how fast you can swivel it, okay? Or how fast you can pan. The tighter it is, the slower pan takes, the more resistance there is. There is also a pan lock. Let me move this all the way around. This in here is the pan lock, okay? So you just tighten that. You can't pan it, okay? And if there's all these things for pan, you should probably take that off. There is also the same for tilt, so it's going up and down on your camera, okay? This is how you adjust resistance, okay? So it's at the lowest at the moment, look how easy that is. Tighten it up, suddenly it becomes a lot more resistant, a lot more smooth, okay? On the other side you have this knob. This is going to lock it fully, okay? Doesn't change resistance, it's just going to lock it. So we can't move it up and down. And the final thing on the camera. In here, you have a spirit level, okay? So you can level the camera. What I spoke about earlier is this little knob. Let's loosen that. And then you're free to move the camera around as a whole, okay? So, the spirit level is so you can line it up. Just as I've done there. Then you literally tighten it again. That is all you need to know about the Libec professional tripod, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.